Quick question for you. Raise your hand if AI has already affected your life in some way. Okay, I see a lot of hands. Now, keep your hand up if you're genuinely excited about it. Interesting. Now, keep it up if you're also a little bit worried. Yeah, that tension. That exact feeling of excitement mixed with anxiety. That's what the world's most powerful leaders were debating this year. At Davos, picture this. Snow-covered mountains. Billion-dollar deals being whispered in hotel lobbies, and one question echoing through every single room. Is AI going to save us or replace us? Topic. On a side panel, it was the conversation. Let me ask you something, and be honest with me. If an AI could do 70% of your job starting tomorrow, would your company hesitate to use it? Let that sink in for a second. Some leaders at Davos said this isn't a future problem, it's a right-now problem. We're talking about white-collar jobs, creative jobs, even roles that involve making big decisions. But here's the twist. Others argued that AI doesn't replace people. It replaces people who don't adapt. So which side are you on? Does AI take jobs, or does it just change jobs? Now, let's go a little deeper, and honestly, a little darker. One speaker at Davos said something that was truly chilling. AI doesn't need to become human to be dangerous. Think about that. An intelligence that doesn't feel guilt. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't care about our feelings, but it still has the power to influence elections, move financial markets, and shape our very thoughts. Let me ask you this. Should something that doesn't understand human values be allowed to shape them? Okay, let's do a quick audience check. Who here has heard someone say, AI will fix everything? And who's heard AI will destroy everything? At Davos, the consensus among leaders was that both of these extremes are wrong. AI isn't some magic wand, and it's not a monster hiding under the bed. It's a tool. And like any tool, it simply reflects the intentions and the biases of the hands that build it. Let's do a quick thought experiment. Imagine an AI manages your money, your health decisions, even who you date. Would you trust it? Yes or no? That exact trust issue was a huge topic at Davos. Leaders agreed. If people don't trust AI, it doesn't matter how smart or powerful it becomes. It will fail. So here's what Davos 2026 really taught us. And this part is important. The future of AI isn't being decided only by CEOs in closed-door meetings or by governments behind the scenes. It's being decided right here by what we accept, what we question, and what we demand from this technology. AI doesn't replace humanity unless we give it permission to. I'll leave you with this final thought. AI is learning incredibly fast. But the real question is, are we? Thanks for watching.